So, to add your spouse income, first, right after you signing in to your TurboTax account, you want to look at the top left of your screen and make sure you are clicking on Tax Home button. After that, you want to tap on Personal Info button, and then click on Continue button. On this page, you want to tap on My Info button at the left side of your screen. And then, at your info, you want to click on your own name, and then tap this Revisit or Review button. On Let's Get to Know You Better page, you want to click on Continue. On Address and Phone Number page, click on Continue button. On SSN or ITIN, you may click on Continue again. On Checking Other Situation page, you can scroll down and hit Continue again until you reach this About Your Household page. On your marital status, you want to click on Married. And here's the important thing. If you want to add your spouse income in the same tax return as yours, you really want to choose on to file taxes jointly. This way, later on, when you enter your income, TurboTax will also asking about your spouse income. After that, you can scroll down and insert if you have any dependents or not, and then click on Continue button. On Spouse's Info page, you want to insert your spouse information, and after you are done, click on Continue button. Here, just fill in the section and hit on Continue button again. Again, fill in your spouse information and tap on Continue button at the bottom of the screen. Click on Continue. And right here, at this page, you can start to add your income and your spouse income. To do that, you want to look at the left side of your screen and click on Federal. Then tap on Wages and Income. And just click on Let's Go button. As you can see, TurboTax is adding the option to add my spouse name, so you can just choose on which W-2 form you want to fill up first. Just choose one of them and click on Continue. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.